Right, what we're going to do today is we're going to find the equation of a line when we know the slope and we know a point on the line. Doesn't matter what point we know, as long as we know one of those points. So let's get to it. The slope of a line is -2, and the line passes through the point 3, 4. What's the equation of the line? Well, we're going to do this in slope-intercept form. We're all familiar with that by now. So we know that we can write that equation as y equals mx plus b. And you're going to see that the only thing we're missing is b. We don't know what b is. But what we do know is we know the slope. We know m, right? M is going to be -2. We know that. The other thing that we know is we know x and y, because this is x. The 3 is x. So we know that the x is 3. The other thing that we know is we know the y. We know y is 4. So we know the y. So again, the only thing we're missing is the b. So all we're going to do is substitute in, and we'll see what we end up with. So we know that we have 4 is equal to -2 times 3 plus b. So 4 equals -6 plus b. If we add 6 to both sides, we would get 10 is equal to b, which means our equation is going to be y equals, put in the slope of -2, and put in the y-intercept of b. And just like that, you write the equation of a line when you know any point and you know the slope. So let's do another example. This time we have the slope of the line is 5, and the line passes through the point -1, 7. What's the equation of the line? So again, just like we did before, we have y is equal to mx plus b. We know the slope, we know the x, we know the y. So let's substitute them in. Y is 7. The slope is 5. The x value is -1. So 7 is equal to -5 plus b. And then we add 5 to both sides of the equation. And just like that, 12 is equal to b. So our equation is going to be y is equal to 5x plus 12. And before you know it, you're writing these equations. Really simple, very straightforward. It's straight substitution. The only thing you got to remember is when you look at the ordered pair, you got to think of it